So children, coming to the probability. Okay, we'll discuss probability. Adi Sharma. Numericals from 22nd to 31st semester. 10th CBSE. Okay, children. So coming to 22nd question and 22nd. Tanmay, are you there? Tanmay?
Yes, sir.
18 girls are there, 16 boys are there. 18 girls are there, 16 boys. The class teacher wants to choose one pupil for class monitor. What she does, she writes the name of each pupil on a card and puts them into a basket and mixes thoroughly. A child is asked to pick up one card from the. Okay, what is the probability that the name written on the card will be a girl? What is the probability of girl?
18 by
18 by 9 by 17, 18 by so overcome. What is the chance of a boy?
16 by 34.
16 by 34, 2 8 is 217, 8 by 17. Who will tell
8
that?
by 70.
Yeah. Next, Dakshita, can you tell? No. Srijita, are you there? Yeah, tell me the third sum. Why a tossing a coin considered to be fair way of deciding which team should choose ends in a game of a cricket. Why is tossing? Okay, that is not a question. Okay, children, Srijita, can you tell why tossing of a coin is choose as a fair way of choosing a batting or bowling? Why? Can you say yes?
Sir, don't.
Because there will be only tails and heads. Tail if you see 1 by 2, heads if you do 1 by 2. This is also 50%, this is also 50%. It is unbiased and chances of getting tails also 50%, chance of getting heads also 50%. That's why
50%.
tossing of a coin is taken as into consideration. Sweet, I will tell next one also. What is the probability that a number selected in random from a group of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4 will be their average? Will be their average. Can you tell how to kind of calculate the average of this?
1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.
How much 4 for the 16, 19, 22, 25, 20, 30. 30 by 1,
30.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So,
3.
how many times 3 is coming? How many times 3 is
3
coming?
times.
3 by 10.
3 by 10.
3 by 10 is probability of its average. 3 by 10 is probability.
Okay, sir.
Nandika, can you tell next one?
Yes.
25th sum. There are 30 cards of same size a bag on which they are numbered from 1 to 30. 1 to 30 are numbered and written. One card is taken out on the bag. Find the probability that number is selected is not divisible by 3. Tell me divisible by 3 numbers. 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27,
30.
30.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are divisible. So how many are not divisible? 30 minus 10, 20 are not divisible. So probability of not divisible is 20 by 30 children. That is 2 by 3 is the probability of getting not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. Next. Vivek.
Yes, sir.
It is left on.
26. Okay. A bag contains 5 red. A bag contains 5 red, 8 white, 7 black balls. Okay, a ball is drawn at random. What is the probability of red or white? Red or white?
Sir, 5 plus 8 by
Uh,
15. No, 20, 20.
13 by 20. What is
Yes,
the
sir, 13.
probability of not black? No black.
Sir, 5. Yeah, sir, same thing.
Same thing. Again, same
Yeah,
thing. No
13
black
by
means
20.
13 by 20. What is the probability of neither white nor black? Neither white nor black.
Sir, 8 plus 7.
Hey, neither.
No,
Neither
sorry,
a.
sir.
So 5 by
5 by 20.
1 by 4. He
1 by
don't
4.
want this both. Means red. He's asking indirectly
Yes,
probability
sir.
of red. Next, Neeraj. Vikram.
Sir.
Who is saying, sir? Who is there? Neeraja Vikrama.
Sir Vikram.
27th sum. Cards are selected from 1 to 25. Cards are selected from 1 to 25. Find the probability that not a prime number. No prime number should come. No prime numbers. First, tell me prime numbers between 1 and 25. Vikram. Tell me prime numbers between 1 and 25.
Sir, can I say?
No, let him say. 2. Vikram.
2, 5, 7,
Yes, sir.
2, 3.
Sir, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23.
29. Oh, 29 won't come.
Sir, total 9, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9 by 25.
No, 25 minus 9. No prime number should come. Means normal number should come.
Okay, sir.
So 16 by 25. Next, Rama. Rugved.
Yes, sir.
Rama, tell. A bag contains 8 red balls. I just missed another thing that is center. Okay. Okay. Rugved, you tell. Find the probability that a number selected at random from, I am saying 29 sum. 29 sum. Find the probability that selected from 1 to 35. Please, 1 to 35 is a prime number. Tell me between 1 and 35 how many prime numbers are there? See here written.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23.
Okay, mute your audio, a lot of disturbance is there. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay,
5,
sir.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So probability of prime numbers is 11 by 35 children. Okay, Yashaswini,
Yes, sir.
what is the probability of multiple of 7 between 1 to 35? Multiple of 7.
Sir, 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35.
So how many are there? 5.
5.
So
5 by 35.
5 by 35 means
1 by 7.
1 by 7. Next you only tell Yashasvi.
Yes, sir.
Multiple of 3 or 5. Multiple of 3 or 5. Tell me first multiples of 3 between 1 and 35.
Yes, sir. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. 35, 5,
33.
yeah,
Now 5,
33. 5, 10, 20, 25, 35.
So any common numbers are there? 30.
Yeah.
Common numbers, anything is there?
15.
15. Any more common numbers? Nothing. Now what is the probability of multiple of 3 or 5 is asking. So what is the probability here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 out of
15 by 35.
5, 3 is 5, 7. 3 by 7. Mute your audio. Next, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me 30 at the sum, 30 at the sum. 30th sum. From a pack of 52 cards, uh, 52 cards, jacks, queens, kings, aces of red are removed. In red, 2 jacks will be there, 2 queens will be there, 2 kings and 2 aces. So 8 cards are removed. So 52 minus 8 is 44. 44 cards are there now with you, Sarayu. 44 cards. Find the probability of card drawn is black queen. What is the probability of black queen? In blacks, how many queens will be there? In blacks. In reds, 2 are there. Means in blacks also
Blacks
2.
2.
2 by
44. 2 by 44. 1 by 22.
Now, what is the what is the probability of a red card?
2 by 44.
Red cards will be 26, Amma. Red card will be 26. In 26, already 8 are removed. How much? 18. So 18 by
18 by 44.
2 9s are 2, 22s are 9 by 22. You only tell again. What is the probability of blackjack? Blackjack. In reds, 2 jacks are there. Means in blacks also 2 jacks will be there. 2 by
2 by 44. 1 by 22.
1 by 22. Like this you have to do. Okay. Next. Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me 31st sum. Okay. A bag contains 11 flavor. A bag contains 11 candies only. Marley takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes an orange candy? What is the probability of orange candy?
0 by
0, 0. And what is the probability of lemon candy? 1. Because everything is lemon candies only. So probability is 1. Okay. Next. Shanmukh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
There are 3 students. Okay. The probability of students not having same birthday. Probability of 2 students not having same birthday is 0.992. Okay. And what is the probability that the 2 students have same birthday? What is the probability of 2 students having same birthday? This is same. Probability of having same birthday and probability of not having same birthday will be 1.
1.
So probability of not having is 0.992.
0.992
What is
is
the
equals
probability
to
of it?
1.
So 1
P,
minus
P,
0.9,
1 minus 0.992
that is
is equals to 0.008.
0.008. Okay. So children, yesterday I was asking you, what is the probability of 2 friends having same birthday? Means in normal year 365 days. Having same birthday is 1 by 365. Not having same birthday on the same day means 364 by 365. Yesterday I asked this question, many people did wrong. What is the probability of a person having 2 persons having same day birthday is 1 out of 365 and not having same day birthday is 364. Right? If it is normal year, if it is leap year, having same birthday on same day is 1 by 366. Not having is 365 by 366. Try to answer like this, children. Try to answer like this. Yes. Next, Pardu. Sorry, Rugved. Rugved. Okay, so children, last sum. A bag is having 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red there? What is the probability of drawing red, children? 3 by 8. What is the probability of no red? No red. 5 by 8, children, because no red means black. So sum of all probabilities always, sum of all probabilities always it will be 1. I told you many times, sum of all probabilities will be equal to 1. Okay, children, I will send some homework, children. All of you do that homework, and one more class I will take tomorrow, and that is the end of probability. And after that, whatever topic you want, I will discuss. Thank you.